Hi, my name is Peter. I'm going to take you on a little tour of the galley today in Tabasco. This is a chart table, and this area actually seconds as a galley. The table can come off, and it has legs that go on it that we can set up for dining. It's actually made out of mahogany and to the original specs of the New York 30s. If you look at the front of this, it's made out of raised panel cypress. This little piece comes out, and we can put a little alcohol stove in here. We're going to line this with stainless steel. There still has to be some work done on it. Anyway, it's a very nice setup. We're going to put some shelves in here and some lighting, and then we'll be done.